Welcome to the top best. The best gold star stickers is probably one of the most versatile and classic rewards out there. These shiny little emblems of achievement have been sparking joy and motivation for generations. Whether you're a teacher looking to encourage good behavior, a parent celebrating a milestone, or just someone who appreciates a touch of gold, these stickers are sure to bring a smile and a sense of accomplishment. Number 5. Holographic Rainbow Star Stickers, 4500 count. Introducing these vibrant star stickers. They feature a beautiful holographic rainbow effect. You'll love how they shimmer and shine. This pack comes with a generous 4,500 stickers. That's plenty for all your projects, whether it's for rewards or decorations. Each star is about 0.5 inches in diameter. They're the perfect size for charts, crafts, or adding a little sparkle to anything. They are easy to peel and stick. Use them for parties, in the office, or for daily planning. These stickers are great for teachers and parents to use for reward charts. It's a fun and easy way to add some flair. These self-adhesive star stickers are simple to use. Just peel them off and stick them on any smooth, clean, and dry surface. They are ready to go. What we like? These stickers offer a massive quantity, perfect for various needs. They are easy to peel and stick on different surfaces. If you're a teacher or parent looking for a bulk pack for rewards or crafts, this is a great choice. What people say? They serve that purpose. I give out gold stars to my knit group whenever someone learns something new, starts, or finishes a new project. They worked well and showed up when they were supposed to. Number 4. Glitter Foam Gold Star Stickers for DIY Crafts. These adorable gold star stickers are perfect for adding a touch of sparkle to your crafts. They're made of colorful EVA foam and come in assorted colors and sheets. It's safe and environmentally friendly. With their self-adhesive design, these stickers are incredibly easy to use. Simply clean the surface, peel, and stick. No extra glue or tools are needed, making the process simple and fun. The quality of each gold star sticker is clear and the thickness of the foam adds a beautiful aesthetic. They're soft to the touch and look fantastic, enhancing any project you use them on. Whether it's Valentine's Day, a wedding, or Christmas, these stickers are versatile. Use them to decorate cards, scrapbooks, or party favors, creating the perfect atmosphere. We stand behind our products and offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you're not happy with them, you can return them with no questions asked. Try them risk-free. What we like? Made from 3D foam, these stickers add a unique touch. They are self-adhesive, simplifying the application process. If you're into journaling or DIY crafts and want to add some dimension, consider these. What people say? These numbers worked great for my Christmas ornaments project. Since I was applying them to felt, I added a little crazy glue to ensure they stayed adhered. The ornaments my granddaughter and I make each year for family and friends have slowly evolved into little heirlooms for them. So, we take great care to make each one so that they will last. The numbers were easy to peel and apply, great colors, flexible but sturdy. Smelled slightly when first opened, but that dissipated quickly. The ad description was spot on. They have a slight sheen and were the perfect size. These have been great for the diaper bag hooks in our church nursery. Now we know which bag to use for which child when they register them in. I love the convenience of things being self-adhesive. Makes it easier for clean, saves on time and glue. Number 3. Gold Foil Star Stickers, 0.6 diameter, 1000 pack. These beautiful gold foil star stickers are perfect for adding a touch of sparkle. They are ideal for teachers and parents looking for a fun and easy way to decorate. Each sticker has a diameter of 0.6 inches, making them the perfect size for various projects. They are small enough to be versatile but still noticeable. You'll receive a pack of 1,000 stickers, ensuring you have plenty for all your needs. This pack is great value and will last for many projects. The stickers feature a permanent adhesive, so they will stay in place. They stick well on paper, boards, cards, and almost any flat surface. These stickers are great for teachers and parents. Use them for rewards, crafts, or any creative project. They are a simple way to add some fun. What we like? These stickers feature a classic gold foil design with a strong adhesive. They are perfect for teachers and parents. If you need reliable stickers for rewards or classroom use, this is a solid option. What people say. They're exactly as pictured, bifoil shine, easy to peel, and sticks to the paper and plastic used. These are great stickers. Good quality and stick very well. Used these for my reward system at work and they were perfect to fill up a regular size paper. Number 2. Gold metallic star foil sticker labels, 1 inch. Looking for a touch of elegance? These gold metallic star-shaped foil stickers are perfect. They add a beautiful shimmer to anything you apply them to. Each roll comes with a generous 500 labels. That's plenty for all your needs, whether it's for crafts, gifts, or anything else. These stickers are a convenient 1-inch size. It's the perfect size for adding a little sparkle without being overwhelming. They are easy to handle and apply. The metallic gold finish catches the light beautifully. It gives a premium look and feel. It's sure to make your item stand out. Use them for scrapbooking, card making, or sealing envelopes. The possibilities are endless. It's a versatile product that will add a special touch. What we like. These stickers come in a 1-inch size with a metallic finish. They are sold in rolls of 500 labels. If you're looking for a larger, more noticeable star sticker for packaging or crafts, this is a great choice. What people say. I bought these to give out to coworkers as a fun reward for going above and beyond, or sometimes just for showing up, and they've been a big hit. They stick and there's a lot of them. Got these for a homemade star chart for my son. He loves them, he gets to stick the gold stars on the chart when he does something good and he likes stickers, so I would recommend them. Number 1. KESOTE Gold Star Stickers for Christmas. These festive stickers from KESOTE are perfect for adding a touch of sparkle. The pack includes 5 sheets of shimmering gold glitter stars, ideal for various holiday crafts. The stars come in assorted sizes, ranging from approximately 0.4 to 1.6 inches. This variety allows you to use them on different projects, big or small. They are self-adhesive, making them super easy to use. Simply peel them off and stick them wherever you like. Plus, the glitter won't fade, ensuring a lasting sparkle. These stickers are great for adding a special touch to your Christmas cards and gifts. Use them to embellish envelopes, seal treat bags, or decorate anything you like. They are also great as reward stickers for students or for any craft project. The possibilities are endless with these versatile and fun stickers. What we like. These stickers have a glitter finish, perfect for adding sparkle. They are self-adhesive and easy to apply. If you like to add a bit of festive flair to your holiday cards or gifts, you should consider these. What people say. The colors are bright and they are made really well. Many different sizes. Sticks well too. Sparkles don't come off either. You get a decent amount of stickers per sheet. They were very sticky. I used them to stick onto clothing for a costume and they stuck the entire weekend. Loved the variation of sizes, exactly how they were described. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.